Good morning, good morning, good morning, people. MySpace Secrets here with you on a Thursday, April 29th, 2010. I can't believe it's nearly May. Oh, how the time flies. Anyway, thank you for joining with us wherever you are in the world. It means a lot to me. Wow, we have such a big smorgasbord of events happening, so much happening. And obviously last night saw a little bit of a movement and a little bit of a run up in gold. But basically it's a flight to quality, not inflation, but we do see this coming down the track. But why would people want to hold physical paper right now? It doesn't make sense to me. So gold is just benefiting from all the talk about this. And also, the big event too today was the Fed that actually left rates unchanged yet again. No real surprise there. And the language did not really shift or change there also, which can sometimes be a bit of a catalyst. Now, I know that there are a lot of people that were waiting for this speech, a lot of financial firms, a lot of traders, but still they remain vigilant to their whole pledge that, we must keep rates low. Okay, but for how long can this go on? Because the longer you leave them there, the worse off you'll be down the track. And that's basically their plan anyway. If you know what I've been talking about, you've listened to other shows. And, a lot of people just simply don't get it. And then one day, these are the people that are really going to feel the effects. They won't be prepared. As you know, I'm an Australian. Look at what has happened here in Australia. We have been increasing our interest rates time and time again already. And now they're talking about another quarter of a percent interest rate rise next month. Insane. 5 rate increases already. Not too good, but I think this is going to help us and the Australians down the track as America start to increase their rates. There's two other big things in the news at the moment. A lot of this stuff with Goldman, which they keep trying to pass the buck in front of the Senate, and also the downgrade of Greece, and Spain was also downgraded overnight. It's no surprise to me, but let's go back to this Goldman saga. Even if Goldman Sachs survived this, you're seeing the first domino fall in a series of new moves that will bring on some massive changes to the financial firms, to finances, the global currencies, but more importantly, the stock market. Oh yes, there is some big changes coming, but I will discuss this and get into this a bit later. Greece is also in a lot of trouble with the downgrade of Greece this week, riots, protests in Greece. But you know what? The bottom line is this. As we've been saying all along, Europe is in trouble. Very big trouble. Very big trouble. And it's just like a snowball that will basically continue to grow and gather momentum and start to roll down the hill and pick up people along the way. And what is it? 100, no, not 100, 135 billion euros is apparently needed to get them out of the pulp. And they basically need to give this to Greece. And I think, it's a lot more than that. It's going to be a good try, but that is just like your mate coming to you saying, look, I have $1 million in debt and I need someone to help me out. And it's like you giving him $250,000 to help him out. Yes, it's going to help a little, but it's not really going to fix the whole entire problem. And what I think is there is a real European storm gathering here. And look at on Greece. There's traders on the Greece market. They've stopped short trading because they know people want to they want to short sell or bet against some of the companies and the euro. The euro's been going down. Yes, but I would not say it's cracked yet. And it has a lot to do with the central banks. They're all coordinated and they'll not let these currencies fall. But you know what? If we have some other big catalyst that comes through and really gets going, well, they're going to have a hard time trying to keep it up. But until then, they're certainly able to. Well, if you have a big down day on the euro, a lot of people are going to jump on the market, going to try to get short. Then these big guys can squeeze the shorts to cover. And it heads back up, and then when that happens, these big guys don't have to buy as much. It's a very clever tactic these big guys with a lot of money use time and time again. Sort of like a self-fulfilling prophecy. You add a little bit of fire to the mix and then boom. But still, I still see there's a really big trouble coming for the euro and some other currencies down the track. In terms of 2010, we are at a very important point. just when everyone keeps saying we are recovered, it's not as simple as that. It's a very complex and multifaceted sort of plan. But I guess you've heard enough ranting for today. If you'd like to hear more and get our latest forecast, don't forget to join our newsletter at www.forecastfortomorrow.com/newsletter. Again, thanks for listening. Thanks for all your support. I mean, isn't it great? Isn't it just fantastic we can get together, all help out each other? Simply amazing. Keep up the good work. Good night. God bless. And I'll see you all on the other side. Okay, bye.